Hi guys, this is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and Madhura is with me. You can call her Maddie, and we are here to react to another one of your requests today. Highly requested and recommended.
Highly requested.
I don't know much about this artist, and I don't know if you have heard his
I don't either. From whatever little research I could do, this is an up and coming artist from Delhi, and he is also known because he writes about real things that have happened in his life. And this is a song that was released, I think, just about a month ago. Exactly a month ago. We are reacting to Chitta by Prabdeep.
Okay.
That's the song. It's a song that has been written, produced, and performed by him.
He's quite big he's quite big in that scene. Like, people really follow him from what I've heard.
Okay.
From friends in the industry. He's I think he's been active for a few years now.
Okay.
But I don't know. There's not much to be said about the mainstream artists. There's no such thing in India.
Mm-hmm.
But he's got a really hardcore fan following.
Okay.
So this is his latest song. Let's just see what he's about.
Yes.
Prabdeep.
So Prabdeep with Chitta.
All right.
Okay.
Cool. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, play. Nice shots, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
किद्दां वे जाएगा बाहर तू मेरे कुत्ते खड़े तेनू कट्टन दे लई कुत्ते ने गुंडे वे सुनदे नहीं किसे दी चिट्टा वे चिट्टा एना किता वे किता
ओके
पुछन मैं किदा बिना चिट्टे तो लटा मैं लटा चिट्टा वे चिट्टा एना किता वे पुछन मैं किदा बिना चिट्टे तो लटा मैं लटा ताड़े गले च पीला मुंह च नीला अखा ताड़ी लाल मेरी जेबा ने हरी सोने दी खड़ी चिट्टा कारोबार तुसी पर दे टैक्स में कार के बैस लुटा सरकार छोटी है गड्डी बड़ा बेकार है ना समझदार मैं किते नहीं नशे पर वेचे ने बहुत हराम दे पैसे हराम च जाने मैनू पै गया खौफ मेरी नशियां दे नाल वे लड़ाई ताड़ी नशियां दे विच वे लड़ाई पर मैं कदे किसे दे काम च टंग नहीं अड़ाई शैतान दे कान ते मैं चंड भी वजाई अगली लड़ाई आप नाल मेरी किन्नू पता पहला वेचिया मैं चिट्टा सुन के मैं क्लासिक वेचदा मैं गाने किन्नू पता अजकल दे न्याणे बिना बुआ खड़काए मेरे घर अंदर आ गए पर किद्दां वे जाएगा बाहर तू मेरे कुत्ते खड़े तेनू कट्टन दे लई कुत्ते ने गुंडे वे सुनदे नहीं किसे दी चिट्टा वे एना किता वे पुछन मैं किदा ते तो लटा मैं लटा चिट्टा वे एना किता वे पुछन मैं किदा बिना चिट्टे तो लटा मैं लटा हुकुम दा इका वे मेरा ते राजा भी मेरा बिच भी मेरी ते क्वीन भी मेरी हेरा फेरी किती बहुत मिल गए नोट जेबासी परियां हुईयां दिमाग सी खाली कलम निराली होगी बेहाली जदों नाल सी मेरे पहली वार देण लगा जज्बात किसे नु ओ कहंदी तू वेला तू करे ना काम मैं किया बंद कर मुंह मैं हैगा मा बम जदों आवा सेज उत्ते हिल दे सब बस हो करा मैं नो हो थोड़े जे लोग आंदे सी शो ते हुण हो गया मैं लेट किता मैं ग्रो वे दिखाउंदे ते पैसा दे कर दे स्नोर कर दे जॉब ते मार दे रोज मैं करदा सेफ ते करदा रो शो तो वेला मैं गिनदा नोट क्योंकि मैं बॉस चिट्टा वे एना किता वे पुछन मैं किदा बिना चिट्टे तो लटा मैं लटा चिट्टा वे एना किता वे पुछन मैं किदा बिना चिट्टे तो लटा मैं लटा ऐसे खेड़े च कोई वे राजा ते कोई वे प्यादा ਖਿਡਾਰੀ ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਖਿਡਾਉਣਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਨੇ ਫੈਸਲੇ ਕਿੰਨਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਖਿਡਾਉਣਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਖਿਡਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਖੇਡ ਸਿਖਾਉਣਾ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਐਨਾ ਕਿੱਤਾ ਵੇ ਕਿੱਤਾ ਵੇ ਕਿੱਤਾ ਪੁੱਛਣ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਤੋਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਲਿਟੇ ਲਿਟ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਐਨਾ ਕਿੱਤਾ ਵੇ ਕਿੱਤਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪੁੱਛਣ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਬਿਨਾ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਤੋਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਲਿਟੇ ਲਿਟ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਵੇ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਐਨਾ ਕਿੱਤਾ ਵੇ ਕਿੱਤਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪੁੱਛਣ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਬਿਨਾ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਤੋਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਵੇ ਇਹ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟੇ ਲਿਟ ਇਹ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟਾ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਟੇ ਲਿਟ
Dude.
Nice.
There is.
I love the video.
There is
I
so
love the
much
video.
going on here. There's so much going on here. There's so many little things.
Yes.
Very smart.
I like Prabjeet. I'm happy to have
Prabdeep.
Sorry, Prabdeep.
I'm-
Happy to have discovered him today. I had not
Yes.
heard of him.
I know you and I have been living under a rock. We are admitting it. But the little things that he's trying to subtly hint at in the video are they are very, you blink and you'll miss them if you're not
That
paying
is true.
attention.
That is true.
The animation team I'm just seeing is like 6 people.
Yes.
Amazing work.
I love the video, and I think after a long time I'm seeing a video that is so nuanced and so layered, and also his rap, right? Of course he's talking about it, but it's not just about it's not just about the chitta, it's not just about that, but it's also about all the other things, right? How your addictions, your dependencies, your inner demons, how they control you. So there's a lot going on in that song also, and he's got flow, man. I loved his flow. I love how he was spitting words, and I love how the track was also laid out. I like that, loop, the sample they used with the flute, that that kept happening through the song as well. So I liked the song.
Also, he kept changing the pace, right? It was very hard to keep up, like as someone who wants to like
Yes.
sing
Yeah,
along,
you're doing this, and then you're like,
Suddenly
I have to do this.
So and yes, so let's get into the little things he's planted, like the yellow collar, and then the yellow coins in the eyes, and then I think, and I could be wrong, I don't know, the last scene with all the yellow wires coming out of that one building. That building looked like whose house.
It looked like it, but I think eventually it was also like the ultimate dealer,
the person
controlling
everything,
the person controlling. Yeah.
I think he's hinting at a particular person.
Maybe. Very possible. Very possible.
With that tall skyscraper house. But there's so much in this video. I think I will have to watch it multiple times.
You'll have to watch it a couple of times and also go through each one of the lines, because there's a lot being said there, right? It's not just about chitta and how he's flying without it or with it, and how the dogs are like gangsters and they won't listen to anyone. I mean, there's a lot more that is being said between the lines that one will actually have to go through the lyrics, break it down line by line, and also watch the video many times, because it is a concept video. It is not really what it looks like. It's not stating the obvious. There's a lot of nuances between like frames that's happening there, and the first time you watch it, I don't think one can catch everything, because
you're just
a lot in
this
video. There's a lot that's been missed. There's a lot that's been missed.
Yeah, but like his lyrics, mainly he's saying that I don't need the white stuff to live or to be whoever in my head. I'm lit. I'm lit without it, and y'all are dependent on it. He's basically, I think he's just calling out all these people who are hooked and who are dying in their dead end jobs every day. And I mean, there's so much he's saying now, whatever I can remember I'm saying. But I think this video is you know, when the first it starts and those fonts show up, I was like, oh, this is kind of like the Uttar Punjab font.
It does. It did remind me initially first,
but
and also then it goes into a lot more.
Almost like anime.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. It's not just, it's also talking about things, right? You're addicted to your screens, you're addicted to money, you're addicted to power. So it goes into a lot of things during the song. And again, because it's the first time you and I have watched it, so there's only snatches of the song that you will remember unless you go back and break it down and listen to every line. But one of those rappers who's very clever, I thought, in one, how he's rapping and how he's using his words, but I think the same thing also translates to how the video is being put together.
Yeah.
You know, you need to have a certain sensibility to be also to put together a team and a concept for a video like this, right?
Exactly.
Otherwise, you'll just make a simple, straightforward, very linear video. And I also think it's very smart to do something like this because, you know, there are people who are finding creative ways around shooting something due to COVID. You know, this is a great way of not letting the creative quotient or the bar drop on what you want to put out as your baby in the world, right?
Yes.
If you can't shoot a video and then create, you know, put it out as an, you know, as an animation video, so you can do what you want to without have to compromise, which I thought was I mean, I can't imagine this being shot. You know, I think if you shot it with real people and humans, I think it would dilute the song.
Yeah.
I can't imagine it in any other way other than this animation.
Yeah. And I feel like even with the animation, the animation of him has so many multiple expressions.
Yes.
It was, I'm just feeling very mind blown right now. I mean, the animation deserves I think that if there are music video awards in India, this video deserves a lot of those. And
I can't say I'm in the know of whether we have video awards, but this is definitely something that's, I'm not sure we do. Yeah. At least not, I'm not sure whether we have like independent music awards or non-film music awards. Now I'll have to do some research. I can't think right away. So, but yes, it does deserve mentions. It does. Definitely
Thank you so much, for recommending this to us and for introducing us to Prabdeep. But I personally, I'm going to go and Google the lyrics so I can go line by line and watch the video multiple times simultaneously, so everything I can get.
Yes. Is it going on any of your playlist?
I think it'll go on my workout playlist and my drive playlist.
Okay. Ooh. All right. Okay.
On that note, you go.
We will on that note, if there's anything, let us know, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.